Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings and enabling apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging so sideloading works. Once done, install the Downloader app from the App Store. It gives a direct APK grab and install flow. Make sure your Firestick has at least 200 megabytes free and is on Wi-Fi. Then open Downloader and type the VLC APK URL or choose the Amazon App Store option. Either path leads to VLC installation. This establishes trust and the download mechanism before installing VLC. After the APK downloads, tap Install and then Open to launch VLC. If you use the App Store, just open VLC from Apps. When VLC starts, grant it storage and local network permissions so it can access DLNA, SMB, and files. Next, go to VLC settings to set it as the default player for common video formats and adjust playback options. If you see stutter, toggle hardware acceleration or change the audio output module. These tweaks improve performance for high bitrate files. To play content, choose local files for USB or network stream for SMB, HTTP, FTP, or DLNA links. Enter credentials when required. You can cast from your phone by allowing local network access or use Play from File to browse attached drives. Once done, create playlists and adjust subtitles and audio tracks in playback. If VLC refuses to play a file, clear the app cache, restart the Firestick, and if necessary, reinstall VLC. Toggling hardware acceleration often fixes decoding or stutter issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.